Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a baseline so you know what to change and why. First, gather 12 months of bills and note peak vs off-peak usage. Next, inspect your thermostat setpoint and programming. Make sure it's set for occupied hours. Replace any incandescent bulbs with LEDs immediately to reduce lighting load. While you're at it, list major appliances and their ages. Older units typically use far more energy and may be prioritized for replacement. Once done with the audit, focus on the complex middle steps that cut continuous losses. Start sealing air leaks around windows, doors, and duct joints. Small cracks can cause large heat loss. Then add insulation where R values are low, especially attic and crawl spaces, because insulation reduces heating and cooling demand over time. Make appliances efficient. Clean HVAC filters, lower water heater to 120 degrees F, and use smart power strips to eliminate. To finish, put systems in place that keep savings steady. Install an energy monitor or use your utility's smart meter app so you can see real-time usage and adjust immediately. Shift major loads like laundry and EV charging to off-peak hours to exploit lower rates. Apply for local rebates or financing for insulation and HVAC upgrades, and schedule annual tune-ups to sustain efficiency. If savings don't appear, troubleshooting tip: verify the monitor setup and compare it to your bill to rule out metering or billing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.